Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are passionate about data visualization or working with business intelligence tools, then you are in a right place. Today I am going to show you how to seamlessly load the Excel data into a Tableau. Trust me, once you see how easy is this, you will wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Whether you are a data analyst or just starting your journey, Tableau makes it easy to bring the data to life. So most of us work with Excel at same point. This is a skill you definitely want to add. Let's jump right in. Open the Tableau. If you haven't downloaded it, go to my previous session and check how to download and install Tableau. After installing Tableau, once the Tableau is open, look at the Connect section on the left hand side. This is where the magic begins. You will see the various options, but today we are focusing on the Microsoft Excel. Now click on that Microsoft Excel. Here I have one sample data on my desktop. Select it and click on Open. Once you select the Excel file, on left side it will show you all the sheets available in the Excel sample file. Let me open the sample file in the Excel so you can see the same sheets. As you can see, the file we have selected in the Tableau which has the same sheets, orders, returns and people. So in the order sheet, you can see the cell information of the products. Let's go back to Tableau again. Now we are going to play with the orders sheet which has the plenty of data. So drag it and drop it in the middle. And there you have it. Your data is loaded. Now before you dive deeper, let's quickly check what Tableau has imported. You will see all the fields on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you can see all the data. But before we create these flashy graphs, it's important to understand the few things about Tableau interprets your data. Tableau will automatically detect the data type, but something it might not get right. Always double check your fields, especially those require the date or numerical formatting. On the top of column header, there are some data types, which shows you some symbols. If the symbol is with the calendar, then it's date data type. If you want to change it, click on that and you can change it from the list. If you want to start working with this imported data, here is the tooltip which has shown the go-to worksheet. So click on this worksheet, that is sheet 1. Here you can create the charts, maps and tables. That's all for today. Remember, data can tell powerful stories, and with the tools like Tableau, you are just a few clicks away from bringing your insights to the life. If you have any questions or need a further clarifications, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next session.